Hello, Kim here. Today I'm going to show you some healthy movie snack recipes. I'm going to show you how to make a healthy version of popcorn, kale chips, and a healthy version of pumpkin oatmeal cookies. Let's go inside and get the ingredients. Today I'm going to share a few healthy movie snacks. Please subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell, and let's get started. 1 cup rolled oats, old-fashioned oats and quick oats are all suitable. 1/2 cup pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. Today I'm using maple syrup. Agave is also a healthier sweetener. If you want to try using stevia, if you're on a sugar-free diet, stevia is good too. 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Mix all of the ingredients together to form a thick dough. There's no need to worry about overmixing, just keep working on it together until you have a uniform dough. Step 2, form the batter into your cookie shapes using your hands and placing them on a baking sheet. Step 3, bake the cookies. They need just about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These oatmeal cookies contain significant amounts of minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium, all which are needed for overall physical health. Let them cool on the pan for a few minutes, then enjoy warm or let cool before storing. And here we have the healthy pumpkin oatmeal cookies ready for tasting. To make this stovetop popcorn, use a good heavy bottomed pot. Don't crank the heat up too high. Keep the heat at medium. Step 1, heat the oil on medium. I'm using 1 tablespoon avocado oil. Step 2, put 3 or 4 popcorn kernels into the oil. Once one of the kernels starts to pop, that means your oil is hot enough. Step 3, add the rest of the popcorn. Cover the pot, remove from heat, and count 30 seconds. Once the popping starts in earnest, gently shake the pan by moving it back and forth over the burner. Once the popping slows to several seconds between pops, remove the pan from the heat. And voila! Your healthy popcorn is ready. This stovetop popped popcorn is a good source of fiber and a good source of polyphenols, which are antioxidants that have been linked to better blood circulation and digestive health, as well as a potentially lower risk of certain cancers. And I'm adding turmeric and black pepper to my popcorn, which is known to reduce inflammation, which also fights cancer. Start by washing the kale. Cut the leaves from the spine. For your healthy baked kale chips, I'm using 1 tablespoon avocado oil. In a large bowl, massage the oil into the leaves, making sure each piece of kale has a thin coat of oil. Then add your favorite spices. Today I'm using turmeric, black pepper, and sea salt for anti-inflammatory properties. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes. Some people like to bake their kale chips for 20 minutes for really crispy kale chips, but I want the most nutrients possible out of these kale chips, so I'm only going to bake them for 12 minutes so they will retain most of their nutrients. Unlike potato chips, kale tends to retain much of its nutritional value even when baked in the oven. Kale is high in fiber, antioxidants, vitamin A, and calcium, as well as B vitamins, vitamin C, and potassium. And here we are, some healthy and delicious kale chips that help fight inflammation, some healthy pumpkin oatmeal cookies, which are good for your heart, and of course, popcorn. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. For more healthy recipes, follow me on Yoga Flow with Kim and check out my recipe playlist. As a nutrition coach, whenever I watch movies, I think it's really important to eat healthy snacks. So I hope this inspires you to eat healthy snacks while you watch movies.